Pew, 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 pew. What's up, y'all? This is Jordan. I'm about to do this voiceover for Latrell's video. Super excited, so let's get it popping. Okay, first off, looks like we got this Cow Beauty Blender out, and we are putting down some foundation right there. About to beat this face, you feel me? We're doing this a nice even coat across the face. You don't want it to look super blotchy. You want to make sure we really blend that in real good and nice, real good and nice. You see this color right now, this is a Caramel Mocha 231 from the Forever Love palette. I don't know, I'm just making that up, y'all, so don't listen to me. Now we're gonna be applying some concealer under our eyes right here and under the chin. You know, make sure everything is just looking really nice and beat, okay? Put it under our cheeks, make sure we get our nice contour look going on, okay? Swish, 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 splish. You know, I start to blizzen that in real good. Blend that in around the eye. Okay. We want to do little circular motions here. Doing it in the cheek. You see I suck in the cheek a little bit. Sucking your lips here. Up top on the head. Then I come back here with my nice Shamu Beauty Blender. Gotta re-hit that concealer under the eye. I think I needed a little bit more there. Come back to it. Back at it again with the Beauty Blender here. The good Beauty Blender is probably the most essential part of your makeup kit. It's just like that Swiss Army knife tool for all you makeup artists out there. You see I went from foundation, now I'm using it for this cream shit. And this looks like some type of, I don't know, maybe a setting cream, I'm guessing. Something to set that. But going back under the eyes there, lighten it up a little bit. You can already see just how smooth the skin is looking. This looks like just airbrushed almost. Going back under that contour line. So it looks like we're just re-hitting all those places where we applied our original, what was that, the concealer. And we're coming back and re-hitting these areas. Now we're giving us a little beard, actually, mustache. I don't know what that was. Now we hit that cheekbone. Make sure we get that nice contour. Look at that shading on that. It looks like the lighting is hitting it from another angle, but that's just the contour line we put there. Going back into the hairline to make sure everything looks even. Really blend that really good in there. Again, just going back over everything, blending everything out, making sure it looks really nice and even here. Hitting up my nose. You don't see no pores at all on this skin, just straight airbrushed. Back at it with my Beauty Blender here. Going back, re-hitting those cheeks, smoothing out the forehead and chin area. Then go ahead and I'm gonna blend that in there on my cheeks just for that final finishing touch. All right, now I'm gonna come here. I have this translucent powder that I'm gonna put on. And that's just to fill in any holes that the concealer and foundation might have missed. Just make it look even more smooth. And this one has a nice, fragrant, chocolatey smell to it. I really like it. It's probably one of the best powders that I have. Okay, so this is called the Ruby Lush Forever Setting Foundation Powder 3000. And I like to use this one when I am preparing to go out for a nice evening, you know, a nice dinner, because it just makes me pop, makes me glow. You know, people can see me from 3 tables away. They're like, what is that you're wearing? And I tell them it's the Ruby Rush 17,000. So now I'm just gonna do a little bit of shading here on both sides of the nose, just to make the nose look a little bit more slim. Swish, swish, swish. Blah, blah, blah. See, I usually sing the song in my head while I do this. Okay, new palette. So this palette, you can see a lot of natural tones in that palette. Really go well with nice brown skin, beautiful chocolate queens as myself. You see here doing this. Can never go wrong with some shimmer, yo. Gotta have some shimmer. Now I'm gonna take the eyeliner here and go right across the eye. Take my time with this, real precision, like surgical on this part. And you see that nice little wing eyeliner there. And then we go under the eyes, back with that just to make it look more defined, a little more fierce. And I want my cheeks to look a little rosy, so I'm coming back at it with this blush here on the cheeks. Just make them a little more rosy, a little bit more red. Looks like I've been, might have been doing a speed walk or something. All right, mascara time. Time to make these eyebrows. Fixing up my brows just a little bit. I'm gonna use a little mascara to do that, just to darken them up a little bit. Okay. Oh, lashes time. And mascara. Oh, snap. This is how we get those nice, fierce looking eyes. Real nice, thick mascara. Setting spray just to set this beat face. Make sure all that nice makeup stays there. Alright, now we back at it here with the eyes. And then I'm going to go ahead and do my lips here. Outline them with the red pencil. Gives it a little bit more depth. And then go something real light on the inside, and make sure we blend those two in really nicely. And then a nice lip gloss to make them pop. Bow! Look at that beat face, so beautiful. Just effervescent. I'm talking glowing. Oh my goodness. Y'all need to take notes on how to beat a face, because she just did that. It looks lovely. That's my girl. Bye.